Hello and welcome back to Spark Literature. Over the last few months, we have taken classic literature and poetry, twisted them around, and brought them to life here in our unique style. But today, I am beyond excited to announce a fresh new direction for Spark Literature. We are going to dive deep into the art of book writing. That's right. From developing ideas to getting your words on the page and beyond, this series will walk you through every step of writing a book. You know, I have had the privilege of teaching novel writing at retreats and workshops, and I know how much power stories hold. And it struck me, why not bring that here to all of you right on this channel so we can explore it together. So here we are beginning this journey in this new series. I'll be your guide, helping you turn your ideas into stories, insights, and books you can feel proud of. Whether you're writing fiction, non-fiction, a memoir, or even an educational book, this series is going to give you the tools to bring your vision to life. Now, before we jump straight into the how-to of writing, let's talk about something that is foundational to every single book out there. It's so easy to get caught up in characters, plots, and chapters, but without purpose, those things can feel, well, a bit hollow. Purpose is the heart of every powerful book, is the why behind your story. So let's think about it. Why are you writing this book? Is it to inspire others? To make people laugh? Maybe it's to teach or to share a unique story that only you can tell. Your purpose will guide everything else in your writing journey. So let's talk a bit about what purpose looks like in different types of writing. In fiction, purpose could mean exploring themes that matter to you. Maybe you want to write a story about resilience and courage, or a romance that explores the ups and downs of love. These themes give your story depth, meaning, and something readers can connect with. In non-fiction, purpose might be about helping people or educating them on a particular subject. Maybe you have been through a unique experience and want to share what you learned, or perhaps you are passionate about teaching others a skill you have mastered. In non-fiction, purpose provides clarity. It lets readers know exactly what they'll gain from your book. Alongside purpose, there's another big question to consider. Who are you writing for? Think of your ideal reader. Picture them in your mind. What are they interested in? What do they struggle with? If you are writing a novel for young adults, your purpose will be different from someone writing a memoir for new parents. Knowing your audience will shape everything in your book. The tone, the language, even the way you structure your story. So, creating a purpose statement is important. Here's an exercise I want you to try. Write a purpose statement for your book idea. A purpose statement is a single, clear sentence that captures what you want to accomplish with your book. This statement is like your guiding star. It's there to remind you why you're writing, especially during those moments when things feel tough. Let me give you an example. If you're writing a novel, your purpose statement might look like, I am writing a story to show young adults that courage isn't the absence of fear, but the choice to move forward in spite of it. Or for non-fiction, I'm writing a book to help new parents navigate the early years without losing themselves in the process. See how simple but powerful that is. So, here's your assignment. Take a few minutes to think deeply about your book's purpose. Write down your purpose statement, and if you feel comfortable, share it with us in the comments or on social media with Spark Writing Purpose. We're building a community of writers here, and I would love to see your purpose statements. Remember, writing is often a shared journey, and seeing each other's purpose can be inspiring. So that's it for our first lesson. Remember, every book begins with a purpose, is a spark that lights the way forward. In our next lesson, we will take this purpose and use it to start outlining your book's core ideas. So stay tuned for that. If you are excited about this journey, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a lesson. Thank you so much for being here, and happy writing. Bye. See you soon.